Welcome to another vlog. As you can see, I'm in the car right now on my way to go bowling with my coworkers. This is kind of like a little going away party slash just one last chill hangout time. It is snowing out here and I'm also stuck behind a car. I don't know what the heck they're doing, but you can see their hazard lights on my face. I don't know what this car's doing right now, but they need to move out the way so I can go, because I'm going to pick up my cousins who you guys have met multiple times in my vlogs before. So, oh, they're finally moving. Okay. Yeah, but I'm going to go bowling with my coworkers. It's chilly, it's snowy, but as a Bostonian, you just make it happen. It doesn't even matter. We ready for this?
I'm gonna serve you my hottest track released a few months ago. This one is called "Said He Wouldn't Fuck Me Because I'm Trans." Said he wouldn't fuck me because I'm trans. Baby, I can do it better than she can. Baby, I can take the pipe and make him come up through the night and give him all the shit he's seen on OnlyFans. Rule number one, you a bad bitch. Don't ever get it twisted. But if you wanna taste it, really ain't no time to waste. Mess around me and you gon' get a dick. Did all these other hoes, yeah, they faking, they tripping. And when I walk in the building, bitch, I'm coming through dripping. And I caught your man staring, yeah, praying and wishing that he'd come home to me with all the cake in the kitchen. Why the fuck you worried about me and what I do? All the shit you heard about me, yeah, it's true. My thoughts sharper than a knife. Seems like there's no place for me for you.
And that is how you freestyle. It is officially moving time. I move to Atlanta in 2 days, so I need to start packing and getting all my stuff together. The first thing I do when I move is usually just donate clothes. I have a whole bag of clothes right here that are going to the donation bin. Especially now with me about to buckle down on my weight loss journey, let's just throw out these old clothes. Get rid of the clothes I'm not going to wear no more and just start fresh in Georgia. So yeah, let's go dump these clothes and then begin packing and cleaning my room. I have so much to do. It is Friday, so I have literally just today and tomorrow to get all of this done.
Relationship. Let a man be a man. Let him fix it. If he loves you, I'm telling you right now, if a man really loves you, he's gonna fix it. All right, now let's move on to number.
All right, I have stalled for like 3 days now on decorating, but it is officially time to decorate the house. So I'm gonna show y'all the room that's full of decor and kind of give you an idea of what's about to happen. All right, you guys, this is the room where all the holiday decor is, and I have no freaking idea where all the tinsel is. So I'm gonna have to dig through all these bags to figure it out. This is not about to be fun. Let me know how it's looking. What are y'all thinking so far? It's similar to last year. Basically, we're going with the tinsel on the staircase, bare Christmas tree. Actually, I might add some pieces to the Christmas tree. And sorry if my TV's a little loud. I'm watching Abbott Elementary. This show is hilarious. But yeah, I'm gonna add some pieces to the Christmas tree. Maybe add some pieces to the stairs. I'm not exactly sure about that yet. But I just spent 2 hours doing this, so it's time to take a little snack break or dinner break. And then I'm gonna go do some Christmas shopping. So yeah, I will get back to you. spilled all this soda all over the kitchen counter. And then trying to blame the lighting. Try to say there's no light. Try to say there's no light.
How we were moving. I can't see a thing.
Hey.
Now I can see.
I can't.
Technically,
today's activity is gingerbread house making. Nobody here eats gingerbread, so this
I
is.
eat gingerbread. I just don't want to eat this out.
Oh. Well, Lola eats gingerbread, but for me, this is purely giggles. That's it. Time for unboxing. Cream.
Yeah.
M&M's.
Can you take out my voice? Hi.
Wait, why is it focused?
Super high pitch. The
Yes. What else?
Oh, these are the right.
We got color. I just dropped my connectors.
M&M's. Connectors.
Not M&M's in here. Honestly, I don't even eat M&M's either unless they have the peanuts in them.
I dropped my. This is my thing to.
What is that? Oh.
Put it in, yeah.
To squeeze out the frosting. Okay.
Hopefully your brothers eat this. Oh shoot.
Yeah, I think this is it.
Yeah, no, I'm supposed to do it like this. I think I did it the wrong way.
This is all uneven and not even.
Yeah, did you do it?
This is not even matching. My roof is not touching. Why is there mad gaps in my gingerbread house?
Know. My gingerbread house came together. It's not sticking, but it's doing something.
Okay, this is how my house is coming along. It looks hideous.
Yours looks so good.
This looks horrible. And my roof collapsed at one point. So now all the frosting that was up here is gone. This is Lola's. Mad cute. It has grass in the front.
Man, this is awful.
At least you have a door with people in it.
Well,
They forgot my pieces of paper. I don't understand. What company is this?
M&M.
This is just M&M. M&M, I'm gonna need y'all to sponsor me with some brand new gingerbread houses.
Distributed by Brand Castle LLC.
Because what is this? Brand Castle LLC. If you watch this video, I need you to give me another gingerbread house. We need two new ones because what is going on? And the frosting, why does this look like cottage cheese?
We'll be hitting y'all up.
Why does my frosting, why does it look like that? Here is the finished product, if y'all want to see. Yeah, there's barely any red M&Ms. They're all green, orange, blue.
I thought you were going to do with none.
No yellow. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 yellow M&Ms. Here's the back. The roof caved in, so. Oh wow. Alright, here's Lola's. Looks better than mine.
No.
I like the back.
Yeah, I'm like 30 minutes away. I wish I actually thought about it. I would have brought clothes.
Alright, so Lola just left. The gingerbread houses were a flop. So yeah, we're gonna have to try that again some other time. I don't know. But my grandparents are on the way here, so I might show y'all them, I might not. We might actually end the vlog here because honestly, do I want to show all of that? I think I've showed y'all enough. No? We'll see. But I feel like I've showed y'all a good amount of stuff. I don't know yet. We might have to add a little bit more to this video. So, you know, just stay tuned for what may or may not come next. All right, my head looks extremely shiny, but it is like midnight, and I have a few gifts to wrap, so we're about to wrap those right now. And then yeah, we're gonna just call it a day with this vlog because I want to get this posted by Christmas morning, if not before. So yeah, let's just go ahead and get these gifts wrapped. I hope y'all had a good Christmas Eve. Merry Christmas. And yeah.